Mayor Tacoy complained that the Matagov flood control project was destroyed due to substandard materials, much as he admitted that the project was still ongoing and unfinished. This fact somehow got lost in translation as articles and posts were written on the same subject. To set the facts straight, we asked the DPWH, 4th District of Leyte, and they clarified that the reason why the flood control wall was damaged is because the project is still ongoing. Hindi pa po tapos. Nagsimula ang proyekto in February of this year at matatapos pa lang sa Nobyembre. But second, Mayor Tacoy complained that the LGU was not consulted. This is very misleading because with DPWH projects, ladies and gentlemen, the agency is required to coordinate and inform the LGU. Kaya nga po makikita nyo sa picture na yan, no? Sinasabi niya hindi rin nakipag-coordinate ang DPWH. Pero in January 16, ayan, may coordination meeting sila. That the building permits are not required for buildings. These are required for buildings only, pero hindi po ito building. Flood control po ito. Itong tinatawag nilang lock ay yung parte ng flood wall na lumalaban sa lakas ng presyo ng tubig. With this element still missing, kasi nga hindi pa tapos yung project, I factually say none of the completed projects in my district have been damaged except for this one na ongoing at hindi pa tapos. And I invite anyone with any doubt about any anomalies in flood control projects in the district I represent to scrutinize the documents and actual projects. Moreover, the COA had already inspected this very project. Findings would be available from the DPWH or COA. If ever any verified anomalies surface, just in case, well, I would gladly face the issue. But until then, I highly recommend, especially to Mayor Tacoy of Matagov, to please exercise caution.